Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm over here at the Universidad metro station here in Medellín. I want to give you a quick tour of this area. Normally this is very busy, but because of the current situation we're living around the world, can't. So this is the planetarium right there. The planetarium, and look, Vagabundos del Universo. I have a channel on YouTube for Spanish travel vlogs called Vagando Parejo, and there it says Vagabundos, meaning vagabonds of the world, of the universe, basically. So they got all these shows here at the planetarium. That's the entrance over there, Planetarium of Medellín. That's the metro station right over there, and this is where they usually have concerts and everything. People, Universidad de Antioquia is right across the street. The Universidad de Antioquia, the University of Antioquia, is all that section over there on the other side. And then we got Fundación Empresas Públicas Medellín, Parque de los Deseos. This is Parque de los Deseos, and they have Casa de la Música there, the music house right over there. And across the street is where we got the shopping center, mall. They got McDonald's, little dessert shop over there. So this is this area, and this is Parque de los Deseos, the wishing park. So this is where we are, and I'm going to give you just a brief tour today, not a lot. And this is Carabobo, the street that goes along all the way to downtown Medellín. This area is safe to transit, to come around, very safe. Casa de la Justicia, the Justice House, is called El Bosque. I don't know what it is about. Let's see what else we can see around here. So yeah, this is Casa de la Música en Parque de los Deseos, and they got the art room, projection room, big projection room, and whatever, everything, and even a terrace up there. But everything is closed right now. A coffee shop, restaurant, that's a gourmet, but maybe it's too early. It's a restaurant too, another one there. So all of this here, this area is safe to transit, and it's just a short walk. It's like a half a block from the metro, Medellín metro, and you can transit all around here. There's a lot of security and police, and it's a safe area to transit. And I think this is the Hewlett-Packard building here. That's the Hewlett-Packard building. They have one here in Medellín. I think it's this one. Oh, I don't remember if it's this one or another one, but or further down the street. But anyhow, Café de la Librería, I think that's more like a library, big library. Anyway, this is where we are, and that was the little tour. And they got a shopping center over there, small one. So check you guys out later. This is a safe area to transit, a safe area to move around here in Medellín. If you like the video, it's a short video, give it a like, share it with your friends, remember to subscribe and all that good stuff. Leave comments. This is Medellín, baby.